In this training video, we'll dive into the ultimate car build using our new software. First, let's explore the user interface. It's designed for efficiency, allowing you to access all tools with just a few clicks. Start by selecting your car model from the extensive library. You'll find everything from classic muscle cars to cutting-edge electric vehicles. Next, we'll customize the chassis. Adjust parameters like weight distribution and suspension settings to optimize performance. The software provides real-time simulations, so you can see how your changes affect handling and speed. Don't forget about the engine. You can experiment with different configurations, tuning options, and even add turbochargers for that extra boost. The predictive analytics feature will help you understand the impact of each modification on fuel efficiency and power output. Finally, let's talk about aesthetics. Use the paint and wrap tools to visualize your design choices. You can even share your build with peers for feedback. This software not only enhances your technical skills, but also fuels your creativity. Let's get building.